Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a Jolie Kit Club design team layout. I'm going to be using pieces of the mix or of the scrapbook kit and the card kit. So we've got these gorgeous Prima little starry pearly bits there. We have some Prima, they look to be like crepe paper flowers. I've got these beautiful Finnabar Prima metal butterflies. We've got two laser cut wood veneer pieces that are cut by Kim. We also have this Prima, these beautiful little circled gemmy bits. And then I have the Vintage Tea Collection ephemera set, so we have all kinds of fun florals. We have got the Vintage Tea 6x6 paper pad, so I may bring this in, I'm not sure, because we're kind of going a little different, so we may or may not use that. I'm going to do this photo. This is while I was in I was at a event and I was gone for the weekend and the girls were hanging out on the chair. We're going to do some fun with these are not hexies, these are, I don't, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is something I used last week, so it's just the leftover. I did pull in these two pieces because I think they're really, really cool, which is what we're going to cut the shape out of, and I'm just going to hand cut those because I'm lazy. I'm going to mat, and this is going to be our background, so this is a very beautiful, it's like riveted cinder block looking piece here that we're going to cascade these up and then have our photo in the middle. So I think we're gonna mat this. Kind of fun. Maybe put that in there. Is there a pop of this that we could bring in just? This is so gorgeous. I think we need to bring the teal in. Yeah, let's bring the teal in. Let's find a good teal. I think we can use that one. And that is just gorgeous. Everything in here is so gorgeous. I think I've used all those colors. So let's pull that one in as well. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get this trimmed down so that, you know, because obviously we need it to fit on here. And I was thinking this will be our last one so that like the florals are like encompassing the two corners. So maybe we'll go with this one first. So I'm going to mat it so it's going to look a little bit like this. So we've kind of got that going on, right? Something like that. I'm going to cut these out and we'll be right back. Alright, so I got you a little zoomed in. Use some peacock feathers. This is definitely how the layout's going to go, so I am just going to blend around this little guy right here, but we're going to leave him there so I can, because I don't want to go too crazy, but we're using the teal because I want to bring in those teal butterflies. So I've kind of got, so this is sitting here. I started to mark it up so you can just kind of see. And then I always start in so that the darkest part is going to be, you know, not crazy coming off of the, there's not like a ding. Like, see how that, you can see where I've obviously set the brush. So we just kind of move that all around. And then this guy will sit right back here. And we just gotta get just a little bit more right there. And then you bring it back in, you kind of look at it and you're like, okay, I like the pop of color. I think it's really pretty. Then you're going to want to come in and I add this guy, he's going under this one. So then I'm going to move this one out, and I'm just going to do the same thing. We're just going to come in and draw our little lines. I did scuff the edges up. So then we can put, we'll leave that guy off. And we're just going to come in and we're just going to do the same thing. Just blend, 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 blend. And then we're going to stick that one down. So like that. I think actually we need to go just a little bit higher up here. Okay. So we've got that, and I'm just going to do that all the way up, and that's just going to be a very subtle pop of color in the backgrounds. So give me a minute. I'm going to finish that, get these stuck down, and we'll be right back. All right, so I've got my photo on. It is matted and popped up on some foam. Now we're going to take these Satan crystals, and I figured we could just, hopefully, I can get these on here. I always seem to mess these up. Oh, beautiful. Okay, some of them like go all willy-nilly on me. So let's get that one there. And then I think I just want to use, get this one up here. Maybe a little more over here like this, just to kind of beef this up a little bit. And then we'll take this big one and we'll slightly tuck it under. And I've got these little guys just popped down in the middle so that I can come in, and we want to get some dimension without really adding a lot of dimension. So you just come in and just kind of bend up the edges because they've already been distressed. So you just kind of bend them a little bit and then get in there. So the centers are definitely popped down. And we'll just, I really love the way this is looking. Let's trim this off as well. Okay. And just keep coming in and, all right. I think maybe we need a little half right a little half down here. It's gonna stick to my finger, and then we'll put this other half up there. So like a mixture. I normally don't like mixing shapes, but I think this is a super cute. All right, wonder if we can, I always kind of wipe them off just a little bit because I want to get, because there's a butterfly. I don't know if you guys seen it. There's a butterfly up here in the corner. So I'd like to get these butterflies on there and then come in with these butterflies. I think that would be super cool. So let's see if we can ink these guys. Oh yeah, they're going to take some ink. So I'm going to go ahead and color them up. With the ink, I got to be careful and then go wash my hands. So I'm just taking straight. It's a little messy. So as you can see that the wood is kind of shining through. I like that. Let's just take it and do that one. So we'll get this stuck on here. And then we'll bring in those other butterflies. I think this is just gorgeous. Oh, I love this. All right, so I'm going to get those stuck down. I've got ink all over, so I've got to be very, very careful so that I don't get ink on the page, right? We're going to take this guy and we're going to put him right there. Kind of hold down for a minute so that the glue holds. This is art glitter glue, so if it seeps out, it does dry clear. You'll never see it. And then I think we'll put this guy a little bit tucked under there. I even did like the inking right around the photo as well. All right, let's see if I can get this off without destroying everything. All right, so give me a minute. I'm gonna open this up and I'll be right back. All right, excuse me, voice cracking. All right, so I went ahead and put some of these beautiful Prima flowers on there. I've stole some leaves and a couple lilies just to tuck in. And now we're gonna top it off with a couple more rhinestones in that teal color just to bring it all together. And I am loving this layout. So kind of what I thought is we're going to use the rhinestones just to go ahead and be the butterflies, like little tails. All right. And then you know what? I am actually even going to use this little butterfly up here. I'm going to bring a little bit up here just to give him a little tail too, because I just don't want him left out. I feel like that would be rude. Okay, so I've got my jewel picker. And we're just going to come in. And we're just, those are too big. I need this size. And I'm just gonna just pop those medium-sized ones right down. This is gonna take a bit of time, so I'm not gonna make you guys watch me do all of this, obviously. That would be, that's too big. All right, so that's all we're gonna do. And that is going to be the end of the layout. So you will see the rest of the little gems, or these little half back pearls on there when we're done. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I appreciate it. Don't forget to head on over to the Trace Jolie shop. Get yourself some of these beautiful items a la carte, or however you need to get the kit. Order it, order it, order it. You will not be disappointed. If you would like to sign up for a mixed media class, Trace Jolie is actually sponsoring my next one, so just leave a comment down below. If you're finding this on my personal page, please head over and like and subscribe to the Trace Jolie page so that you can give them some love as well and see all the other fabulous designers that are creating for Trace Jolie. And what else? Check out the Facebook group, do all the fun YouTubey things, and I will see you guys later. Bye.